Here are some tips on how to build a godly business. Evil isn't hiding anymore, and neither should good. Jesus called us to be lamps on a hill, and it is very clear that evil is deciding to rear its head at us. And now more than ever, the world seems darker, which means we need to bring more light. If it's not abundantly clear to you already, we are living in a time where the Old Testament is around us. Here in the United States, this is basically Babylon, and there are more and more accounts of people worshiping these false gods of Baal and Moloch and other things. And if you don't know, many of those gods require human sacrifice. Innocent human sacrifice. And if that doesn't disgust you, check yourself. For me, I've been sitting a lot with this and thinking, what can little old me do? And God has given us all talents, skills, gifts, and assets to use to help build his kingdom. And when I take account of all of these things that God has blessed me with, one of my best assets is this business, Fresh Steeps. Now I bring this up because this is an asset that God has chosen me to steward to help build his kingdom. Now, this is his business, and ultimately he can take it from me whenever he wants. Now, recently, I have been convicted, though, on how to use this for the greater good. Because at the end of the day, this is a for-profit business because I need to supply for my family and my employees. And while I do want to build this business to be nationwide and a household name, I will be doing this with the foundation of God and building his kingdom. So bringing this full circle, there's a lot of evil in this world right now, and it is very blatant and obvious. And this is an asset that God has chosen me to be able to use, and I want to use this asset to build his kingdom. And I think one of the most vile things that is coming to light and has been a part of human history is the child and human trafficking. It's disgusting. Treating innocent people like animals and trading them like products is vile. And while God and I have big plans on how to tackle this challenge, right now, Fresh Steeps wants to partner with a reputable charity who is actively making a change. So starting today, February 17th, 2026, for every online order of Fresh Steeps, we will be donating $1 towards the Tim Tebow Foundation to help rid this world of human and child trafficking. This is just a small step towards a massive journey of tackling a big problem. But every journey starts with a single step. And for right now, this is what we can do. So today's tip on how to build a godly business is to reevaluate your assets and your gifts that God has given you and to take action against evil using what God has blessed you with. And if you want to support the mission that I'm on with Fresh Steeps and the Tim Tebow Foundation, check us out at freshsteeps.com and make a purchase today.